And we'll just have a look inside. So there's a bloke in Caboolture built this, 80,000 roughly. Brand new. This is waterproof flooring, expensive shit. These bumped off the wall, so we're just checking that at the moment. It's a fairly decent size room. Like, this is me backed into the corner, so it's a fairly decent size 2-bedroom unit. This will rent for $450 a week, which of course more than my mortgage. So these are things you can do, get a bit established. Unfortunately for me, I had a marriage breakdown, which is just part and parcel of being me and how I live my life. I've got a washroom in there, so there's a washer dryer going there, a little robe. And you probably put a TV on that corner. And this is, you've got 2 air cons, you've got a dining room out here. Anyway, I'm going to redo these countertops because the finish on them is a bit rough. Yeah, anyway. So this guy's at Caboolture, Dave, Angel Eye Sculptures. And this one was 80,000 to get this done to this level. And then I've got to side it. I've got another probably 25 grand worth of expenses I've got to get it sided and returning money. The people living with me, one of them's pregnant. So they're over the moon that I've done this, and otherwise would be homeless. So, you know, if you want to hate on investors and hate on people like me, then that's your fucking problem, you know. All right, cheers.